Choosing high-quality replacement doors is an important step toward improving comfort, security, and curb appeal. However, even the best door on the market will not perform as intended without proper installation. The way a door is fitted, sealed, and secured directly affects its long-term durability and efficiency. For homeowners in Covington, professional installation plays a critical role in ensuring replacement doors deliver maximum performance. Precise measurements ensure a proper fit. One of the most important aspects of installation is accurate measurement. A door that is even slightly too small or too large for the opening can lead to gaps and uneven alignment. Professional installers in Covington take detailed measurements before removing the old door. This ensures the replacement door fits precisely within the existing frame, creating a tight seal and smooth operation. Correct frame preparation. The condition of the door frame significantly impacts how a new door performs. Over time, frames can shift, warp, or become uneven. Professional installation in Covington includes inspecting and preparing the frame before placing the new door. If adjustments are needed to level or square the opening, they are completed to support proper alignment. Proper sealing to prevent air leaks. Air leakage is a common issue when doors are not installed correctly. Small gaps around the edges allow outdoor air to enter and indoor air to escape. When replacement doors are professionally installed in Covington homes, sealing materials and insulation are applied carefully around the frame. This creates a continuous barrier that reduces drafts and supports consistent indoor temperatures. Secure anchoring. For long-term stability, a door must be securely anchored to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. Professional installers ensure replacement doors in Covington residences are firmly attached to the structure. Proper anchoring prevents shifting or sagging over time, maintaining smooth operation and structural integrity. Smooth and reliable operation. Doors that stick, drag, or fail to latch properly can quickly become frustrating. Professional installation guarantees that hinges, locks, and hardware are correctly aligned. Covington homeowners benefit from doors that open and close effortlessly while maintaining a tight seal. Enhanced energy performance. Energy efficiency depends heavily on how well a door is sealed and insulated. Replacement doors that are professionally installed in Covington homes reduce unwanted air infiltration. This contributes to a more stable indoor environment and supports efficient operation of heating and cooling systems. Improved security features. Security is a top priority for any entry door. Professional installation ensures that locks, strike plates, and frames are properly aligned and reinforced. In Covington neighborhoods, this attention to detail enhances the overall security performance of replacement doors. Protection against moisture intrusion. Improper installation can leave small openings that allow water to seep into the frame. Professional installers in Covington use appropriate sealing techniques to prevent moisture intrusion. This protects both the door and surrounding materials from long-term damage. Maximizing warranty protection. Many door manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. By choosing professional installation in Covington, homeowners ensure their investment is protected and supported by manufacturer guidelines. A smart investment in performance. Replacement doors offer numerous benefits, but only when installed correctly. For homeowners in Covington, professional installation ensures precise fitting, reliable sealing, and long-term durability. By focusing on accurate measurements, secure anchoring, and proper insulation, professional installers help replacement doors perform at their highest level. The result is improved comfort, enhanced security, and a door that functions smoothly for years to come.